To redeem your Delta gift card, start by visiting the Delta Airlines website and clicking on the Book a Trip option. Next, search for your desired flight by entering your travel dates, destination, and number of passengers. Once you have selected your flight, proceed to the payment section where you will find the option to apply a gift card. To apply your gift card, click on the gift card link and enter the gift card number and the security code, which can be found on the back of the card. After entering the gift card details, click Apply to add the gift card funds to your booking. If the gift card balance covers the full cost of the ticket, you can complete the booking using the gift card funds. If the gift card balance does not cover the full cost of the ticket, you will need to pay the remaining balance using a credit or debit card. Make sure to review the terms and conditions of your gift card, as some gift cards may have restrictions or expiration dates. It is also important to note that Delta gift cards can only be used to book flights operated by Delta Airlines or its subsidiary airlines. They cannot be used to book flights operated by other airlines, even if they are partnered with Delta. To redeem your gift card over the phone, call the Delta customer service number and provide the gift card details to the representative. They will assist you with applying the gift card funds to your booking. You can also visit a Delta ticket counter at the airport to redeem your gift card in person. When redeeming your gift card, make sure to have the gift card number and security code ready, and be prepared to provide additional information such as your name and contact details. By following these steps, you can easily redeem your Delta gift card and book your next flight with Delta Airlines. Remember to always check the balance and expiration date of your gift card before attempting to redeem it.